How to turn off Instagram location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off Instagram location on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, as you have to open settings on your iPhone. After you open settings, you will get this kind of interface. From here, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Privacy and Security. From the section Privacy and Security, tap on Location Services. From the section Location Service, you'll have to scroll down and find out the option for Instagram. After you find it, tap on that. And from the section, choose the option for Never. After you tap on that, you'll be able to turn off the location access for the Instagram. And that's it. This is the method you can deactivate or turn off the location access for the Instagram. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.